off my old friend Andy. He's just popped round to my house for a cup of tea and a catch up, so I'm heading there now. My name's Iain. I'm one half of One Man and Wolf. I'm the one man part. Wolf, he's my dog, and you'll catch up with him later. Okay, see you in a bit. Let's see what Andy's got to say.
So, anyway, so I said to him, I said, April 75 this year. He went, no. I went, what do you mean no? I said, you are 75. He said, no, you missed my birthday. I went, oh, all right. I said, well, when's your birthday? December. I said, so you are 75? Well, yeah, of course I'm 75. I said, well, that's fair enough. So you're 75 and you like bridges, right? So this is my idea. Can we do, or are you interested in doing, 7 bridges in 5 days? Right. Ding! See? So I thought, iconic bridges, what you want to do, ride over. Obviously, if you want to visit bridges on the way, fine. I don't know.
What, he's into bridges?
Yeah, he's into bridges. There you are. Well, I mean, I must admit, I thoroughly, when I rode over the Severn Bridge, I thought, oh, this is something else, this is. I don't know what it is, so the cables going, you know? Till I got to the first stanchion piece, like, tucked in, and then, I went, whoa, I thought, bloody hell. So I'm going along, I think, we're on my way up, right, move to the middle lane now I know, because right, that's it, here comes the next one, here comes the next one, here comes the next one. Right, now be prepared, Bush, be prepared, lean into it. And I got to it, and the wind come from the other side, blew me right over. I couldn't believe it.
What was it?
It literally, one went that way, and the other section, the wind was going that way.
Yeah, but if you lean into it, and the wind drops,
I know, yeah. Well, it just pushed me right over, you see. I thought, wow, that's great.
Right, go on then, what's the 7 bridges?
So I thought, right, again, go up through London.
Yeah, so Queen Elizabeth Bridge. Around the M25 or not?
Nah,
or are you thinking about Tower Bridge?
Yeah, Tower Bridge, iconic, isn't it?
Oh, right,
you know what I mean? Iconic Tower Bridge. So Tower Bridge, and then up to the Humber. So Humber Bridge.
Right. Yeah.
Then up to the Forth of Firth.
Yeah.
Then my plan was to then skiddow across and down, I think, to Anglesey. There's a bridge to Anglesey.
Yeah, there is. So it wasn't Brunel did that one. That was Thomas.
Oh, Edison.
No, Edison.
Right.
He did the light. No, he did the lighthouse, didn't he?
Did he? So Edison.
No. Oh, yeah, anyway. And then there's did the real
Telford.
Telford, that's the one.
Yes.
I'm sure he did that one.
So there, and then down through Wales,
Yeah.
obviously across the Severn, down to Clifton Bridge.
Yeah, Bristol.
Right? Yeah, Bristol, and in back.
How many is that? So that's
Well, I think that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did actually. I went into your world famous cloakroom. You see, aptly named because it's full of cloaks. But then I got attacked by the bag, which was a bag in a bag. They attacked me. I was like, whoa, what's going on there? Hey, I can't get in. The bag's got me.
that's the real one.
Oh, is it? What, the one that looks like Sydney Bridge?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, there must be another bridge there, isn't he? Well, anyway, so the thing is, look, they're supposed to be bridges you can go across, not, that's a...
I might be wrong,
Yeah.
but I'm sure that was the real one.
But then, of course,
Actually, I don't know if it isn't. No, I don't know.
when we finally get into it, and he gets the idea in his head, it's like, oh yeah, and then, so we go, across the Forth of Firth, right? Then up to the next estuary, which I think is
Dundee.
Dundee.
The Tay. So over the Tay Bridge.
Yeah, the Tay Bridge, the
one
famous
that
one.
The one that collapsed.
Yeah. Oh no, we're in the water. The fire's gone out. Hey. Lots of steam.
Yes.
We've got lots of steam but no power. Hey. No, it's not happening. It's not happening. Hey. Glug, 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 glug. Anyway, so there's that. And then he says, oh yeah, I want to go to the Sky.
Oh, the Sky Bridge.
To the Sky Bridge, yeah.
We've done the Sky Bridge, haven't we?
Have you? Have you?
Aye.
Because it's funny, when you look at the photos, it's like a whoop, but it's not actually sort of like, it is.
No,
is it not?
seriously, you blink and you're over it.
Oh yeah, so he wants to do that as well. So then I was thinking, okay,
What's eight bridges then?
well, yeah, it's going to turn into like 900 anyway.
Well, if you've got 5 days. Oh, it's too much in 5 days.
You reckon?
Yeah. That's a lot of riding.
He can ride. Don't get me wrong, he's not.
Well, I'm not about him, I'm not about you.
Well, yeah, oh.
Because even from here, right? So to get up to,
Well, say Newcastle.
say Newcastle,
Yeah.
there's 400 or 500 miles straight away.
Yeah.
400 miles,
Yeah.
right? Then another 60, 70 miles, whatever, up to Edinburgh.
Okay.
Okay. Then you've got to go up to Skye.
Oh yeah, well, yeah, because you've got to go across the sky. Sky's on the other side, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is. But you can cut diagonally across and up.
Oh, that's the other thing. To go and then down the Caledonian Way, is it? By the locks, is that it?
Oh, right. Well, so in that case, you've got to go up to Inverness and down the Great Glen to Skye.
There you are.
So
it's turning into a monster.
So that's another 100 miles to Inverness.
Right.
So we're at 570 across 50 miles, whatever it is.
Yeah.
40, 50 miles across to Skye, but well down the Glen and then
Right.
cut across. Well, what we at? 600 odds?
I don't know. I lost count.
Yeah. Say 600 miles. Yeah, 600
Yeah.
miles, say, roughly, and then all the way back down again. So 1,200 miles.
Yeah.
And then, of course, you've got to get to North Wales,
Yeah.
and that's a fair old trek actually to get to Anglesey. You think, oh,
I know,
look at the map,
I know.
it goes this long
Yeah.
there. So now you go along the, is it A55?
I don't know. Real. You know, you got to
Yeah,
pass
yeah.
Real and all that lot, don't you?
But if you come back
Depends
down
on
through
how-
Wales, it's a bit of a pain coming. It's all right in the bike, I suppose.
Yeah. Well, it should be. Should be.
So, well over 1,000 miles.
I wish they didn't go down to Tamar. You know.
Well, don't Plymouth.
And I said, well, that's a big
Yeah.
detour for one bridge. We don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. We want to go Clifton, Hay.
Right, so
That's
you're talking
So
5 days. You're talking
a quick
250 miles a day.
How many miles?
250 miles a day, at least.
Yeah, that's all right. That's easy.
Says in. When was the last time you did 250 miles a day on the bike? What bike did you take? The MT?
Yeah, it would have been the last time. Yeah, but I've done. Yeah, I've done. Well,
I'm
one
not saying
way.
you can't do it, but it's.
Yeah, I've done 140 odd miles one way.
Well,
But that was only in 3 hours.
Yeah.
So,
I'm not saying it's not hard to do it, but
it's go.
you just go
Yeah.
and then do it, and then it's like, well, what am I
Yeah.
missing here?
Yeah.
And then
Oh,
you
that's
get-
the other thing. I did say to her, I said, you know, obviously at some point there will be picturesque rides where you think, right, that's it, shut it all down, this is
That's what I
lovely.
mean, yeah.
You know, you're going to pull off here, you're going to have a photo shoot there, cup of tea, sandwich, you know what I mean,
So you got to do
shit in the hedge, all that
yeah,
sort of
you got
stuff.
to do a bit in London, a bit of stopping and riding around and all that stuff.
Yeah, there might be, yeah.
And 10 miles in London will
Yeah,
take you
right.
just as long as doing 200 miles going up to flipping
Yeah, you're right.
whatever.
But that's the idea, yeah, I've left it with him. He's
Good
thinking about it.
idea, I like it.
So then when I...
And these bike tours.
well,
You tell you do your bike tour thing, or your bikes and your.
yeah, I know. But then
It's a
obviously then
little business
I've...
there, mate.
I said, oh, have you got a magazine with panniers in? Oh, yeah, got a bike magazine down there. And it comes. Had a quick look at that, and I thought, oh, yeah, that's the one.
I'll be your tour guide if you want.
Did you get that?
Yeah,
Did you get that
yeah,
answer?
yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
I'll get me. I'll get the coat. Oh, I'll live you.
Yeah. Check, please. But yeah,
Well,
but I hope he's going to bite the bullet and just say, yeah. I mean, yeah, if it takes a week, I mean, you know, if you start on a Saturday, you've got 9 days, haven't you? I'll take a week off work,
yeah.
because obviously he's retired, so 9 days.
Well, I tell you, even better, add on an extra day and do some of the bridges across the Seine in Paris.
No, no, hey,
Come on, make it a real adventure.
good God, no.
And then go all the way down to the bottom of France and do the Milo Bridge.
Of course. Which he has, is that the one that goes right
Yeah.
across that valley?
Yeah.
It's like 3 miles up.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
how they built that, I have no idea. It's fantastic.
Oh, there's a great TV programme about it.
It's just where they just kept going out and out and out and out and out.
They did the pillars and then they just pushed it out, didn't they? Well, clever British engineering, because it was British engineering.
Was it really?
It was designed by old that famous British architect.
What's Mr. Wren?
No. Yeah, they dug them up. Go on, mate.
Now we have a nice dome in the middle. No, Chris, no, we've done domes, mate. No. And a whispering wall. No.
No, Foster. Is it Foster or something?
I don't know.
I planned when I was leaving the Navy. I planned a world tour on the 3 famous waterfalls.
3 famous waterfalls.
Yeah, so what's the top 3 famous waterfalls?
Are they waterfalls? What waffle falls? Oh yeah, I know them. Yeah, the waffle falls. But the most famous one is in Belgium. Obviously, it's the Belgian waffle.
Yes.
Hey, yeah. Well, obviously, you know, it's Victoria.
That's 1.
Niagara.
That's 2.
And Angel Falls.
Wait, wait.
Hey, so now you have 3 waterfalls. Becky Falls in Devon or wherever it is.
Yeah.
No, I can't even really know. There must be
Well,
others.
there's a famous one in Scotland.
Is it?
That we went past. We didn't stop when we did.
Oh yeah, I saw the photo. I think you took a photo of it on your trip recently. Last year.
Yeah.
When you've done your road trip.
Yeah.
I'm sure someone posted a photo of it.
Yeah, possibly.
What was that one called?
I don't know. We never stopped it.
Oh, you didn't
It
stop?
would have been a separate one.
I see. Oh, maybe you didn't then.
Tom and 204 or something. I don't know. I can't remember.
Oh, right.
There's loads of them. Yeah, that's there's one in Bishop's Waltham somewhere, kind of little when it rains.
Is it?
There's a famous little waterfall going down the main street.
Get your rubber ducks out.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
duck race.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't know.
So when do you think you're going to come back to with that?
No, I just left him with it for a minute, didn't chew it over. Hopefully it just turned out. He knocked my door and he go, right, I've looked at the map.
We're off. Pack your kit.
Could be. Well, it won't be like that, but it could be sort of around.
We must have done.
Oh. It's done 80. Well, it takes me 20 to get here. Way not come. I set up at 6 this morning.
60, 20 hours.
Yeah. 6 o'clock this morning I set out.
Yeah, exactly. There for a living.
It's going, yeah.
Yeah,
It's nice to see you think. Yeah, well, this was, well, let me think. That's 20 years, isn't it? So, put a few more in there. So, yeah, say between 25 and 30 years ago.
Well, actually, when I was
the GPR and T range came out, and that was the 3 series.
remember the T3 series, yes.
Yeah, that was the 3 series. So that's right. That was like 1989. There you are. So that's 90. Yeah. So that's right. Yeah.
That would have been
No,
I
it's
started,
89.
yeah, I was driving wagons.
I got a badge. I have. I got a badge. Yeah. And then no, is it better than
Are you better at Lawrence?
No, I've got it from work.
No, but are you better at Lawrence?
I do work. Yeah. I've actually got an AEC piston, believe it or not, brand spanking new. I don't know why I've got it. I've got it. It's in the lockup. I've taken it from marriage to marriage. I mean, a house.
You can divorce me if you want, but I'm having me piston.
Yeah.
Nothing else.
Yeah, that's it, yeah. Yes, it's huge. Huge. It's like that. It's got to be like that. I think at one point I was going to cut the top off it and make it an ashtray. Things, silly things you do. I've just never got around to doing it. That's just there. Got no rings in it. Especially straight out of the box. Yeah. Oh, I was going to weigh it in for the alley.
I like it. I like it.
Yeah, yeah. And that's right. I mean, why have I still got it?
I don't know.
No, I don't know either. But I've carted that around. I literally have.
Well, yeah.
Oh, you
Big old lump of
must take a piston. Hey.
Go off my piston.
Yeah. I mean, am I going to see someone on?
Antiques Roadshow.
Yeah. Yeah. It's
What have you got here, Mr. Bennett? It's Mammoth Matinal Iain.
Yeah.
Never been you.
Yeah.
Still in the box.
Standard size.
Still in the box. You've got to make it worth more money in the box.
That's right. It's not in the box. No,
right. Well, that's reduced the value, isn't it?
Yeah. It's the only thing I've got left of my lorry.
Who else has been robbed or sold? It's all I've got left.
Hey. No, that's really weird. When I think about it, thinking, why have I cut that around? I have no idea. But I've definitely moved it from place to place to place. I know exactly where it is. As soon as I open up my lockout, it's there.
It's in the piston.
Yes, yeah. It's in the waiting rings department. Hey.
Yeah. Oh, I come down this morning, there's another mouse down there in the corner. That's the killing zone.
A mouse? Oh, well, a cat brings one in and
cat.
drops it there.
Oh,
Yeah.
So,
Were you quiet when you came in?
yeah, no, I come down this morning.
It's quiet as a mouse.
Went to plug it, I went, oh, there's another one. Well, this is not in bits, this one. That's becoming the killer zone.
Is it?
Oh, well, I don't know if that's the killing zone, but it's certainly the deposit zone for dead misses. So, yeah.
You put a keyboard down there.
A keyboard. Not clocks.
I'm going to say clogs, mouse. Put them on the stairs. Where? Just there.
Just there. The most big cliff on.
We're on the stairs. We're on the stairs. Well, I won't say my mate anyway, but their hamster died, and we were all going out for a meal. I think I was married then. If we weren't married, we was going out anyway. So, that's a shame. Yeah, okay, and Tracy, well, you know, hamster's dead or whatever. Anyway, so right, we're all going out there. Yeah, okay, so we're off to. All right. Got it. Got it out of the cage.
Yeah.
In the pocket. In the pocket. He can come out for a night out, can't he?
Yeah.
So, without saying anything about it, we go out, Indian restaurant.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, shame about you know. What was his name? You know, I can't remember what his name was now. I would say Boris. You know, oh
Boris.
Boris. Well, that's what it is. Hammy the hamster. Hammy the hamster. Okay. Hamster. Oh, you would have really liked it here. They wanted to. Well, no, not really. I don't think it's the right place for a rodent. And why not? They're like, oh. The staff, they've gone, I said, yeah, found it down there. Found it. It's down here, mate. Look, what's this? It was brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. No, I didn't get a free meal actually.
Yeah.
Could have done, I expect, but I don't know. It was just an laugh.
Free gone away.
I just put it back in the pocket.
Well, it's interesting after a few beers that you brought Hammy out and just sat up and. Or
Exactly, well, this is the thing.
And just there on the shoulder, and she looks up and sees it in the mirror in the bar behind the bar.
Yeah. Well, that's what you would do now, wouldn't it? You know, with social media, you know, you'd have him out, you know, get little little wellies on him. But you know what? I can't remember what I actually gave back Tracy. I can't remember. I don't know what I
You
did.
know what you did with it? So it's
No.
probably still in your pocket.
I don't know. I'll spit it.
Or the skeleton.
I must have done something with it. I suppose I put it on someone's wall or something. I don't know. On the way, you know what I mean? On the way back, as you go past the glass. No,
Little nails through, like little wellies, but little tags through his paws and what against the wall.
Well, thanks for watching. It's goodbye from us two idiots. Andy's the one on the left, by the way. And of course, how could I forget, out of the other half of One Man and Wealth, the ultimate man himself, Wealth. Bye.